Have a bunch of photos you want to share without sending them one by one? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to send multiple photos on any Android phone. Whether you're sharing family memories, travel pictures, schoolwork, or important screenshots, this quick guide will help you get it done in just a few taps. Let's jump right in and make photo sharing faster and more convenient. So, open your gallery app depending on where your images are stored. Take a moment to find the album that contains the pictures you want to share. Now, press and hold the first photo until it's selected. You'll notice a small check mark appear showing that selection mode is active. From there, simply tap on the rest of the photos you'd like to send. You can choose as many as your device or the sharing app allows. Once you've finished selecting your photos, tap the share icon at the bottom or top of the screen. Android will display a list of apps that support photo sharing. Next, choose the app you'd like to use, such as WhatsApp, Messages, Messenger, Telegram, or Gmail. Select the contact or group you want to send the photos to. If you'd like, you can also type a short message before sending everything together. Finally, tap send and your Android phone will upload and deliver all of your selected photos in one go. If you're sending high-quality images or a large number of files, the upload may take a little longer, especially on a slower internet connection. You're all set. Sending several photos at once is a great way to save time and keep your conversations organized. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more helpful smartphone tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.